Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to solve charging problem in your Realme devices. Before starting the video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe it and hit the like button for more videos. So let's start. Friends, if just click on the settings option and you can swipe down, you can see, and then you can see there is additional setting, and just swipe down. There is a OTG connection, turn it on, and it says automatically turn off it, not used for 10 minutes. And then go to the developer option, and there is option OEM unlocking, and press to enable it. Use your pattern or lock, and then just enable it. And then you have to just click on the app section, app management, scroll down. You can just see there is a Google Play services, clear cache, and then press back. You can see there is a wireless emergency alerts. You can also clear cache of this, and there is a system launcher. You can also clear cache, and it will definitely fix your charging problem in Realme devices. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to the channel and like the video. Thanks for watching.